Welcome to the Nursery and Garden Industry Queensland's webinar on water efficiency information resources available to the nursery industry. This webinar is funded by the Queensland Department of Natural Resources, Mines and Energy under the Farm Water Futures project. The Farm Water Futures project provides funding to industry bodies to assist primary producers in improving their water and energy use efficiency. Over a period in excess of 25 years, there have been a range of resources developed by the nursery and garden industry that can be used to help production nurseries improve water use efficiency. Some of these resources are freely available to the industry, either as internet downloads or hard copy resources, while others are only available through industry technical offices. This webinar will show you the range of available resources and how they can be accessed. If you have a problem with your irrigation system, maybe you want to upgrade your current system or you're thinking of setting up a new system, where do you go to find out the information you need? Irrigation professionals have a broad range of knowledge when it comes to pipes and pumps, but sometimes they may not understand the specific requirements for nursery production irrigation systems. The resources we're looking at today are meant to give you additional information and a greater understanding of how to set up an efficient irrigation system. There are tools and resources that have been developed specifically for the nursery industry as part of funded projects. These projects have targeted areas requiring more research because the specific information wasn't available. Projects have been done covering such areas as the cost benefits of retrofitting irrigation systems and theoretical and actual sprinkler performance data with a range of different sprinklers. The first source for general information on all aspects of water use within production nurseries is the publication Managing Water in Plant Nurseries. This book was first published in 1994 and is currently being updated. This publication looks at water supply and quality, water treatment and disinfestation, irrigation types, irrigation design, maintenance and operation, filtration, pumping, drainage and fertigation. Along the same lines as Managing Water in Plant Nurseries is the Nursery Industry Water Management Best Practice Guidelines. This publication covers much of the information found in Managing Water in Plant Nurseries and the Nursery Industry Waterwork Workshop, but it also has additional information on some areas such as drainage. This publication can be accessed free of charge from the Nursery Production Farm Management System webpage, which I'll show you shortly. The Nursery and Garden Industry Queensland Technical Library webpage contains information on a wide range of irrigation topics, as well as other non-water related information. Many of the articles on this website have been written by farm management systems officers under the Rural Water Use Efficiency Initiative. This website also has links to a number of videos on topics related to water use efficiency and nursery production. To access this website, perhaps the easiest way is to simply type NGIQ into your search engine, and the first entry that comes up will be the one that takes you to the home page for the Nursery and Garden Industry Queensland. Today I'm going to simply click on this link here, and that will open up the home page for NGIQ, and then we can look at how we access the technical library. So in the tabs along the top, simply hover over Technical Library and you'll see that a drop down appears that's got a number of categories in there that covers videos, fact sheets, case studies, growing media, water and irrigation, production management and biosecurity. If we're interested in water and irrigation, so we'll just drop down and click on that tab there, and what that does is it opens up a page that then has a full listing of all of the articles and videos and resources that are available on the website. The other way of accessing information on this website is to look at the search function up in the top right hand corner here. Simply click on the little magnifying glass, type in what your topic of interest is, click on enter. Then it's just a matter of clicking on each of those topics, and that will open up another page, and then you simply click on download, and that will download, open up the particular resource. So in this case it's a video that we can then start. As I said, the other areas in the technical library. There may be some videos. We just opened up a video there directly from the water and irrigation site, but if we click on videos, we'll also have a listing of videos there that you can either search or just look through until you find the topic that you're interested in. The Nursery Production Farm Management System, or FMS, is a site that contains much of the information that's available on the NGIQ website, but in addition it also has information on the nursery industry's Best Management Practice Program. To access this site, you can either type in NPFMS in your search engine, and the first entry that comes up will take you directly to the homepage for the Nursery Production Farm Management System. Today I'm going to click on that link, which is the address for the homepage for the Nursery Production Farm Management System. And when this opens up, we've got a number of areas within this, so quite a different layout to the NGIQ website. These top areas give general information on the different components of the accreditation scheme, and then we have a few other areas down here. We're interested particularly in the technical information, so we just click on that button there, and that will open up a new page that's then got a listing of the different areas of interest. We're particularly interested in irrigation and water, so we just click on that tab there, and that will open up a page here that has a listing of all of the articles and videos and resources that are available under irrigation and water. But in addition, there is also another link here that we can open up the water management toolbox. So this is a range of simple calculators that are available for download free of charge. These are Excel based calculators and cover a range of different applications, including system design, operation and maintenance, drainage and fertigation. So to access this particular one, we either click on this link here, or we can click on Water Management Toolbox, and that will open up yet another page where we have a listing of all of the different calculators that are part of that Water Management Toolbox. To open up any of these, we just simply click on them, and that will open up another page. Click on download, and that will then download and save those files to your system, where you can then open them. Here we have, for example, a catch can assessment report where you can record all of the data from a catch can test, put the numbers in. It'll show you where the wet and dry areas are in an irrigation layout, and also do the calculations. But it also allows you to record a lot of the system details that you need for future reference. There's some other areas in here that also contain useful information. There's a link to the e-learning portal that's being developed by NGIA, and in this there's the only course that's perhaps applicable to irrigation and water is the growing media course. So to register and use these particular courses, they're all completed online. You just simply click on the particular course. It'll give you the information on what it involves, and how you then go about signing up for the course. Also on the Nursery Production Farm Management System, there's also a list of research reports that have been completed over the years as part of funded projects. Once again, we have, as far as something that's applicable to irrigation and water, this report here on managing nursery runoff. So it's just as simple as clicking on that link there, and that will open up that file, and then you can save it directly to your system to look at later on. And then finally, there's also some case studies under the Communications and Media tab. These case studies are primarily about businesses who have made changes under the farm management system. but they may also contain elements of water use efficiency that might be applicable to your business. Additional funded project reports can also be accessed through the NGIA website. Simply go to the NGIA homepage, and under Industry Levy and Final Reports, there will be a list of all of the final reports that have been generated over the lifetime of the projects. To access that, I'm going to click on this link here, which will open up the web page, and once again it has a search function here, or you can scroll down through all of the articles until you find ones that are of interest to you. In both the NGIQ Technical Library and FMS web pages, there are a wide range of technical articles including all aspects of water use efficiency. Along the same vein are the Nursery Papers. These articles cover all facets of nursery production, including water use efficiency. These articles can be found by inputting Nursery Papers into your search engine and searching the list for the topic you're interested in. Just to make things a little bit shorter, I'll just click on this link here, and that will open up the page that has the Nursery Papers. So you can either do a search in the search function there, or you can just scroll through the list of available articles. So here's one, Back to Basics Water Management. You simply click on that. There'll be another page attachment link show up here. You click on that, and that will open up the file where you can read it, and if you so desire, you can save it to your system to read later on. A range of videos have been produced on improving water use efficiency in nursery production and are available on both the NGIQ and FMS websites. These are instructional videos explaining how to set up systems to best management practice. Topics include how to assess an irrigation system and setting up sprinkler and dripper irrigation systems. A major component of the Rural Water Use Efficiency Project was the development of Nursery Irrigation, Drainage and Energy Management Plans, or IDEMs. These plans assess the components of irrigation and drainage in a nursery, enabling a prioritised action plan to be developed to improve water use efficiency. The aim of this document is for it to contain all of the information relevant to irrigation and drainage in one place. A template's been developed which guides the user through the data input to generate their own IDEM, and then keep the document updated and keep track of their customised action plan. The zip file containing the IDEM template and other related files can be downloaded both from the NGIQ and FMS websites. That's about all for today's webinar. Please check out the websites, and remember, if you have any questions on this webinar or any irrigation efficiency questions, I can be contacted on this phone number and email address. Thanks for watching.